The Jefferson City tornado left behind issues that are still being resolved today. It also presented the issues the National Weather Service faces when warning Central Missouri for severe storms and what steps they take to better serve our communities without always having the clearest picture.
Obviously, the radar's view of the sky is going to get higher and higher off the ground the further we get from the radar. And so over Jefferson City, the lowest the nearest radar can see is about 7,000 feet. And unfortunately, a lot of what happens in the atmosphere that we're concerned about, especially with these severe thunderstorms, does happen below 7,000 feet. So it's certainly something that we think about. It's something that we take into account, but it's also something we've got some tools to kind of combat. As you mentioned, we've got 3 different radars that cover that area, albeit all around that 7,000 foot mark. But still, we've got 3 different angles that we can take a look at what's going on. And it's in areas like Central Missouri that we really emphasize the importance of storm spotter training.
And our area isn't totally in the dark. I spoke with Neil Fox, an atmospheric science professor who specializes in radar and maintains a research radar facility of his own with the University of Missouri. Unfortunately, its application isn't always useful in immediate severe weather detection.
The issue they have with it is because we're a research radar, we're not set up to provide the data as quickly as they need it. But in a way, they were lucky. A lot of what we saw when we saw those presentations was that the height of that storm enabled them to observe it and have real confidence in what it was doing. In the past 3 or 4 years, we've had a few severe storm cases where we've definitely been able to see more detail.
No matter the case, it's clear that the severe weather warning process in mid-Missouri is a group effort. The weather community could always use more help. If you're interested in becoming a storm spotter to help stitch the radar hole in mid-Missouri, you can attend spotter training in Columbia later this winter. Reporting for the Storm Track Weather Team, I'm meteorologist Luke Victor.